Can you please tell me, what do you see? I'm sure you all will be having the correct answer with you. Yes, this is nothing but a lion and it has its parts given. Now, what will you say if I say it has golden mane, it has small ears, it has a big mouth, very strong legs, a very big tail, cute little nose, and shiny and glittery eyes? Now, what did I do? I just added few features to this cute little lion. Now let's see another picture. Now this picture shows different type of feelings. Few people are excited, few are optimistic, few of them are joyful, and few are elated. So by now you all must have understood today's topic. It is adjectives. Do you know what is an adjective? It is nothing but, in literal words, some kind of description of a particular noun or a pronoun. So we can define adjective as all those words that describe nouns, all those words that describe something, how a thing looks. Like in this picture, you can say a brown, cozy, blue, sturdy house, or a brown, spotty dog. So we can say adjectives are the describing words that tells us about some feeling, about the quantity or the amount of something, the behavior, the size, the color, and the sound of a noun or a pronoun. Like nouns and pronouns, adjectives also have some kinds. It is of 6 types, but today we will be learning the first type, that is adjective of quality. So now, by its name, it is going to tell us somebody's qualities. The qualities may be good, it may be bad. So today we will learn what is adjective of quality. Let us read the formal definition. It says adjective of quality answers the question what kind of, means what kind of noun is it, what kind of person is it, what kind of place is it, what kind of thing is it. For example, he is a brave person. What kind of person is he? He is a brave person. She has a beautiful voice. Now, what kind of voice does she have? She is having a very, very beautiful voice. So we can say adjective of quality tells us about the kind of a person, kind of a place, or kind of a thing that we are referring in the sentence. For example, Mukesh Ambani is a wealthy man. So one can say adjective of quality tells us what kind of person, what kind of place, and what kind of thing is it in the particular sentence. For example, Mukesh Ambani is a wealthy man. So what kind of man is he? Yes, you're right. He's a wealthy man. I read an interesting book. Now, are you reading a book which is interesting or boring? It is an interesting book. So what kind of book is it? Interesting. So adjective of quality refers to what kind of noun it is. I'm sure you're clear. Let's learn with another example. I have long hair. Now, what kind of hair do I have? Long hair. Rahul is a fat boy. So what kind of boy is he? Fat. Likewise, Shreya is a beautiful girl. Now, is Shreya a good girl or a beautiful girl? Beautiful girl. Rama has a blue pen. What kind of pen does she have? Blue. And last but not the least, Geeta's grandmother is an old lady. So what kind of lady is she? I'm sure you all must have said old. Now let's move forward. Moving forward to another type of adjective. This is the kind of adjective which we use it in our daily life. Adjective of quantity, in which we measure something. We measure a noun in terms of number, in terms of quantity. Quantity in the sense means how much is it? How many are they? Like we can define adjective of quantity shows how much of a thing it is. Like I ate some rice. So how much did you eat? Some. He has little intelligence. How much intelligence? Little. He has all of his wealth. Oh, he lost all of his wealth. How much wealth did he lose? All of his. So we can say adjective of quality explains how much is it. Let's understand with these examples. There is much water in the jug. Always remember much, little, and sufficient, enough. They use for non-countable things which we cannot count. But things like few, some, many, they are used for countable things which could be counted. Let's learn with examples. There is little water in the jug. Now there is a minute difference between little and a little. Little means hardly any, almost none. It means the jug is almost empty. And when I say there is a little water in the jug, it means there is some water. It may be just 2 sips, but there is some water. When I say there is no water in the jug, it means that there is nothing in the jug. It is entirely empty with zero quantity. And when I say there is some water, it means there is not much, but there is little bit of water in it. There is sufficient water or there is enough water. These both could be used interchangeably, as sufficient and enough doesn't have much of difference. So we can say that whatever water was required, it is already there in the jug. So that's why we have used there is sufficient amount. I'm sharing few of the words which you can use for your adjective of quantity. You can take a screenshot of it and preserve it for your usage, because the more words you know, more clear it will be for you to use. Now let's do another adjective. I hope you all are clear with these 2 types of adjectives. We will be coming with another 2 adjectives in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye. If you have any problem, please let me know in the comment box. Thank you.